Hello, I am Amna and I'm going to tell you how to run a business on YouTube channel. How to tutorials, create videos that explain to use your products or services effectively, provide step-by-step guides and demonstrations. Product reviews, review and showcase your own product or compare them with the competitors. Honest reviews can build the trust with your audience. Customer testimonials. Share the real customer success stories and testimonials to showcase the value of your offerings. Behind the scenes. Take viewers behind the scenes of your business. Show the production process, introduce your team, or provide a virtual tour to your office or facilities. Industry insights. Share your expertise about your industry. Discuss the trends, provide the insights, and offer the predictions in the future. FAQs and question and answer sessions. Address frequently asked questions or host the live question and answer sessions to interact with your audience in a real time. Educational content. Create the educational content related to your industry. This could include the explainer videos, history lessons, or insights into the complex topics. Case studies. Showcase real-life examples of how your products or services have solved the problems or improved the situations for your customers. Collaborations. Partner with influencers or other businesses or experts in your field for a collaborative content, interviews, or joint projects. Webinars and workshops. Host the live webinars or workshops on the relevant topics and then repurpose the recordings of your YouTube channel. Challenges and contests. Engage your audience with the challenges or contests related to your products or services, encouraging the participation and the interaction. Employee spotlights. Highlight your team members and their roles within your company, which can humanize your brand. Sustainability initiatives. Showcase your company's effort in the sustainability and corporate responsibility, which can resonate with the eco-conscious consumers. Industry news and updates. Keep your audience informed about the latest news, trends, and updates in your industry. Entertaining content. Create the humorous or entertaining videos related to your brand or industry to capture the attention and make your content shareable. Customer support and how-to guides. Provide the customer support through YouTube by addressing the common issues and questions your customers may have. Holiday and seasonal content. Create the theme content for the holidays and special occasions to keep your channel fresh and engaging. Success stories. Share your own business success stories, highlighting the challenges you have overcome and the lessons you have learned. Remember to tailor your content to a specific target audience and brand identity. Consistency in posting and engaging with your viewers through comments and community features can help grow your business of a YouTube channel. Thank you very much for listening to us.